Oh, really hot guy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Cooking with Erica. Cooking with Erica. Yes, guys, we're here with another video, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Remember, let's get the channel to 30,000 subscribers. Yeah. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how we turn coconut into one of the most popular Jamaican street pastry, and that is called gizada, guys. Yes, me will show you how Jamaicans make it. And guess what? It's when you come to Jamaica, guys, almost every street vendor, almost every bakery you're going at, you are going to see this beautiful sweet pastry. Very delicious, and it's also very much healthy. It's like it's a healthy sweet. Yeah, guys. So, I'm going to show you how we turn coconut into gizada. Yeah, guys. Stay tuned and remember, guys, you can also follow me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shackelford. Remember, guys, to also go on my Instagram. So when you go on my Instagram, guys, click my page, click my link tree, and you will see how you can join my close friends. Yeah, guys, where you get exclusive videos of my YouTube channel, because you know that YouTube have a lot of restrictions and stuff. So things that I can't post here, I will post them on my close friends, and you can go and watch. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and remember to leave a comment down below. Hit that post notification bell so that as I post a video, guys, you get notified. Look at the beautiful day. Yeah, guys, we're making some gizada. Happy Friday, guys. If you see this, it's on a Friday. So yeah, guys, so making gizada is very simple, guys. But first we are gonna make the crust, right? So we're gonna make the crust, and it's simple. It's things that you buy on a weekly basis for groceries, right? So we are gonna use some salt, butter, and regular flour. Yeah, that's how we are gonna use to make the crust ingredients, guys. So stay tuned, please, guys, please. If you reach this far in the video, please subscribe. Let's get us to 30K. Alright, guys, so we are gonna add some butter in this. We're gonna add the flour in the dish. So we are use this dish to make the crust for the gizada. I'm not gonna make a lot because I first time me I make gizada. I mean, I tell the guys they always like it. I always love gizada, so I'm gonna make it the way how me would I want if you eat. Then I will just add. Whoa, come on, me put too much. Anyway, yeah, guys. So we add in the flour. Now we dish. Tie back the bag. Get the butter. You don't need a lot of butter, if unless you make what it. Yeah, guys. So, and this isn't even butter; it's margarine. So we're gonna cut it in cubes. Cut it in small cubes. Try to get it cut in small cubes, guys. You can't do it. It's so soft. Okay, guys. So in salt cubes, then we're gonna drop it in, and then we're gonna add salt for taste. Yeah, guys. You have to put salt in anything you make. Yeah, guys. So after we do that, make sure your hand clean, and you're gonna crush it up like this. You're gonna crush in the flour. Wait, guys, I'm gonna put the camera a little closer that you guys can see. Guys, you get your ice water now. See, you said it's something crumble. It's supposed to have like a caramel look. So we're gonna add the water in to knead the flour, the table in. Get your ice water, guys. So my table in. I think we need more water than this, so guys, the girl pop down our table. I mean, I have the table out here, you know. I have the table out here. Or maybe soon reach out here. I think. 100% sure. I get myself another one. But me not talk too loud. Me I want the table here. Yeah, guys. So we just take a little time. You guys have to take time. Guys, and then after you're done kneading now, you're going to put it in the fridge. Let it stay a couple minutes. Guys, see it here? So the crust is made. Yeah, guys, we're going to get it in the fridge. Let it stay for at least 30 minutes. Cover up back the plate. And then we're gonna be making our coconut. And guys, I'm gonna show you guys, so you don't have to worry. Remember, guys, if you reach this far in the video, like the video, please. May I beg you. Broke the coconut, and me don't know, me not have the strength to do with the hammer like how me see some people have hammer and they have sitting there. So me just find one nice little stone on the ground. I'm gonna knock it 2 times. How this stuff so bad? The coconut are well dry, guys. Let me try if you know waste the water. Water good, guys. Just all like people them will have bad heart. I want to just sit up on bad mind. Yeah. Wash off your heart with this. Your heart is clean and pure. But not water. Okay, guys. So we try. We don't make that waste. And we like when this is how we know if the coconut is good. If you can't drink the water, coconut not good. What's so much water in this? Look at me, I get one full cup so. So refreshing, guys. Let's go. We're gonna get this grater up and cook. Yeah, guys. So I go grater the coconut. I go use I go use that side here. Let's see if I can fry right. coconut flakes me want. Not the coconut trash. Yeah. Alright, try this. I have no smaller part as well. A part is smaller. Okay, para hey guys, so we finished grater. The guys, say flakes. You have to check to make sure there's nothing left. Hey guys, so that's how it is, flaky. So yeah guys, I'm gonna catch my fire. I use one Alaska bag, Alaska bag. But I don't know, easy melt. I always like it try with Alaska bag. I will pick it, watch out. Come on, don't out. Oh, I don't know, I'm not skip out that part, eh? Much is then. I said I can go down deep. Breeze. Come on, bees, really. One big bag, if I want to not catch me, I want it. I want it, Flasco bag. So what do you got Bahamas, guys? I see no Lasco in a supermarket. Oh my god. Hey guys, so if you're easy, it melt. Yeah, something they melt quick. See that beautiful day, guys. The day is beautiful here in Jamaica. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cook the coconut. So you're gonna get a pot with little bit of water in there. I don't know if you can see the water in I am not 100% sure. But we're gonna add in our spices, guys, a little bit of water, just like half cups of water. So this is some mixed spice. We're gonna put some of it in it, now the water. So I will do cake up underneath it. Yeah, some mixed spice. Yeah, we're gonna put some cinnamon. Yeah, guys, some cinnamon. Getting the cinnamon. I don't even know if it's dropping in the after this. Hello. Oh, I guess I wrong something. So the cinnamon, guys. We're getting some. This is some almond. Some almond flavor. I'm just put a little bit in there. Yeah, and then we get some vanilla, of course. Yeah, vanilla for taste. Yeah, guys, we're putting in a good amount of vanilla. And then guys, we're gonna add in some brown sugar, guys. Yes, so we're gonna put in, but just gonna put in till me tell me to stop. Yeah. Yeah man, yeah, tell me to stop, So we're gonna stir it. Hey guys. So we mix it around, start the more sugar, guys. Yeah. Get it? Mix. We're dancing. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna add in the coconuts in it now. So hey guys. Get it mixed. And guys, you go want to kind of stay with it. When it starts boil up till it soak up the water. You don't want to boil if it burns. And then you add a little bit more sugar. The sugar are the binding agent. You have to make sure you have enough sugar in it, guys, right? Sugar are the binding agent. So you guys, that is it. Prince, 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 oi, Prince. I didn't know. We're gonna make we crust. Okay, guys. So we have to get rolling pin. I eat piece of cheese. Rolling pin. Guys, you have to get some flour. So what that? Put flour. I'm not put too much. So I can just to guys. Welcome. Get more, a little bit more flour on it, guys. I try to press you out of steam. Hey guys, we are trying to make it as flat out as we can. But hey guys, so get it roll out. Alright. So me I go make me I see how much we can get. Guys, this is how my thing I look. And we have to make sure say we cook the something we are going inside. So hey guys, so it look. Alright. We're gonna take it off guys because we don't want it burn. We'll take it off, I know. I'm sure no. Put it up a little closer to the camera. See it, guys? Yeah. I'm gonna take it off. That's it, a bowl, guys, to make a complete circle. Let's see. Guys, want it to be very neat. So, guys, I make it. I make one cook up. I mean, not the neatest, but it will get done. See the guys? Yeah. That's one. Then have it something, but then use cut them in. Then have it something, then see the guys? Complete circle. And then you bring up and you squeeze. Some of them is like them pinchy side, like them just pinchy side. Yeah, guys, let's see if we can get the Alright. Yeah, guys, so this is number 2. Hey guys, number 2. Yeah, guys, so we are going to add in the oyster or patat. Okay, guys, we are putting the coconut or coconut again. What then call them? We still have more something they make. But we just get. I mean, I think everything else can hold when it bake. So. What? Drop it down, guys. Now waste no. Yeah, use the finger, guys. Kind of sticky. Because I made this cook before. It's really good. Just like gizada. Just like gizada, guys. You guys, we're gonna get them bake up and everything. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. You like everything I go can hold. Oh yeah, hot. Guys, look like only for one more can hold right up. Sure. I don't want to go on the pot, but I'm hot. Oh. Guys, you have to go make that safe. That only 5 alone can hold in this. Oh well. We're gonna cover it up, guys. So this is my first batch of gizadas. First batch of gizadas, guys. What is a person them bake? Which minute I don't know, may I look on them, guys. And tell me what you think about my gizadas, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you for always watching, guys. Yeah, tell me, guys. Trying to, I know something. Let me put them in, huh? Like it could have been cook more, guys, but if not, me add them back in, guys. Because the bottom of them is a burn. So yeah, gizada number one. It's hot, you see, on the bottom, guys. It's kind of like get a little burning. Be hot. Mm. Mm. Mm.